Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring one of nature's most breathtaking wonders, Niagara Falls. Join me as we uncover its history, the science behind its beauty, and the many adventures you can have right here. The history of Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is not just a stunning sight, it's a site rich in history. Native American tribes, like the Haudenosaunee, revered the falls long before European settlers arrived. In the 17th century, French explorer Samuel de Champlain was one of the first Europeans to document the falls. Throughout the 19th century, the falls became a hotspot for tourism. The first tourist hotel was built in 1825, and the construction of the Niagara Suspension Bridge in 1855 connected both sides of the falls, further boosting its popularity. The science of the falls. But what makes Niagara Falls so unique? It's actually made up of three waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. The falls are a result of the Niagara River, which drains Lake Erie into Lake Ontario. Every minute, about 168,000 cubic meters of water flows over the falls. The water's constant erosion of the rocks means the falls are slowly receding at a rate of about 1 foot per year. Activities and attractions. Visiting Niagara Falls isn't just about staring in awe. There are countless activities to enjoy. Let's check out some of the best. First up, the iconic Maid of the Mist. This boat tour takes you right to the base of the falls, where you can feel the mist on your face. It's an unforgettable experience. And don't forget to grab a poncho. Next, to Cave of the Wines. Here, you can walk on wooden decks right next to Bridal Veil Falls, getting closer to the roaring water than ever before. For the thrill seekers, why not try ziplining over the falls? It's a rush like no other, giving you a bird's eye view of this natural wonder. And if you love the outdoors, Niagara Falls State Park has miles of hiking trails and beautiful picnic spots to enjoy the scenery, night views and illumination. As the sun sets, Niagara Falls transforms. Every evening, the falls are illuminated with vibrant colors, creating a magical atmosphere. The illumination has been a tradition since 1860, and it's a perfect way to end your day here. There's something truly enchanting about seeing the falls lit up against the night sky. Environmental considerations. While Niagara Falls is a sight to behold, it's essential to consider its environmental impact. Over the years, tourism has taken its toll, prompting conservation efforts to preserve this natural wonder. Organizations are working hard to protect the ecosystem surrounding the falls, ensuring that future generations can enjoy its beauty. Be sure to respect the environment during your visit. Conclusion. So, whether you're looking for adventure, beauty, or a little bit of history, Niagara Falls has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments your favorite part of Niagara Falls. Thanks for watching, and see you on our next adventure.